Hello everyone, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how you can create folder in your GitHub repository. So here you can see I am in my repository and there is no folder here. So in order to create a folder, first of all you need to go to your repository, then here you will see add file option. So click on add file, then click on create new file. So once you click on it, it will take you to this page and here you need to first mention your folder name. Let's say my folder name will be img. Then we need to give a slash, and the moment you give a slash, the name will come over here. It means it will become a folder. Then we need to give a temporary file name. Let's say here temp. Then after giving the file name, we need to come here. Here you can see commit changes. So click on it and it will show you a message. Just directly come here and click on commit changes. And there you can see right now let's first go to our repository and here you can see we have a folder here. So right now we need to go inside the folder and first we are going to upload a file in this image folders. So right now we need to click on add file, then click here upload files, and right now I'm going to click here choose your file. Let's go to picture and let's upload this file. Click on open and here you can see this uploading and upload is complete. So right now we need to go down and click on commit changes and there you can see processing your files. So file upload is successful. So if you go to the image, here you can see we have a file over here called cat.jpg. This is the image. So after uploading the file, we can delete the temporary file, which is this one. So just click here, click on the file, then click on this three dot icon, go down and here you will see delete file option. Click on it, then click on commit changes, then click on commit changes again, and it is done. So right now in the project repository we have a folder and in this folder we have a file. So this is how you can create folder in GitHub repository. I hope this was useful. Make sure to subscribe and I hope to see you in the future tutorials.